Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica services. In today's video, I will tell you how to make this outline text effect easily with some few steps. Okay, see, it's too beneficial for your dynamic creatives, posters, whatever you make. Okay, without wasting time, let's do it again. So, firstly, you need one image. Go to your layer panel and duplicate the layer. Then go to your properties panel and remove background of your above layer. Now it's done. There is no background of your above image. Let's write a text as you want or as you write. Increase your text size according to your requirement. Now duplicate your text layer, change and now select your both text layer. Click on now link. Just change your position of your one text layer. So move between to your image layers. Now just make your fill 0 of your above layer. Double click on your layer. Then go to stroke panel. You can change according to your requirement or need. Okay. According to myself, this one is fine for me. You can change color of your strokes as I said before as you need. So guys, it's done and you can place your text anywhere and it will be readable. So guys, that's it for the effect and we will meet in next video and thanks for watching.